welcome to Grandad's Reviews. In this video I'm just going to do a very quick side-by-side test between two microphones. I've got the AudioTechnica AT875R, which I normally use most of the time, and my older Neewer pencil mic. I just want to see how much difference there is between the two of them. So I've got them set up just above me. They're about a foot away from my mouth, just above, both side by side, both recording into the Tascam DR60 Mark II. So I'm going to read a passage from the Fuji XS10 owner's manual, and then we'll just compare the audio quality. Attaching a lens. The camera can be used with lenses for the Fujifilm X mount. Remove the body cap from the camera and the rear cap from the lens. Place the lens on mount, keeping the marks on the lens and the camera aligned, and then rotate the lens until it clicks into place. So that's a quick read from the book. I'm in the upstairs studio, which is not very well sound deadened. I've got some sound blankets in the front and the side of me, and we'll see how that sounds. And just for reference, no video now, just audio. I've got a computer running in the background now, which is directly behind me. We've got the Tascam set to 10 o'clock on the AudioTechnica, and we've got it set to 1 o'clock on the Neewer on the audio gain, to keep them about the same. What I also do, I'll do some silence. So I've got a computer in the background, so you should hear that. And we'll just see what it's picking up. So that was silence. So this is just without video, so that it doesn't detract from the audio quality. So let's see how that sounds as well. So that was our quick listen to the two microphones, and quality wise I suppose it depends on what you like. The AudioTechnica has definitely got more low end and probably not quite as crisp at the top end, whereas the Neewer has got less low end and more crispness at the top. So I think depending on your voice, if you want to accentuate your bass, then I think the AudioTechnica is quite good. But if you've got less high and you want to bring those highs up, then I think the Neewer is very good. As regards noise, they're pretty much the same. Only difference you're noticing again is the highs and the lows, which are different, but apart from that they're about the same. Build quality, yeah, they're both well built. With the Neewer you get two, a matched pair. Well, kind of matched, they're not exactly the same. If you record with them both at the same time, you will notice a slight difference, but very little. You do get different capsules for the Neewer, so you've got omnidirectional, a cardioid and a supercardioid, which is what we're using at the moment. Whereas the AudioTechnica, you just get the microphone and that's it. Plus there's a big price difference. I think AudioTechnica's running around about £150 at the moment, whereas the Neewer's for the pair you're looking around about £80. They were a bit cheaper, but they seem to have gone up a little bit. So I think it's your choice. I prefer the AudioTechnica because it boosts my bass in my voice, but if you prefer the higher, even if you get the Neewer, you can always boost the bass in post afterwards. So I think it's also down to budget as well. So that's my quick look at the Neewer pencil microphones, the NW-410s and the AudioTechnica AT875R. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and it helps the channel. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Till next time, see you later.